I still have your faded Nike sweatshirt. So when you coming back home to the city, streetlights mayhem, I know you're missing that. Oh, I've almost had enough of just
This is
your
cute. Wala
face
tayong
on my
nakita.
phone. It's old news, but I miss you. Counting down the days, every minute, every hour. Got me going insane while the leaves fall off your flowers. I'm wishing you were closer. Your coffee's getting colder. Can't you see I'm waking up without the piece of me I love? Wondering if it's all worth.
Hello everyone, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to our channel. This is me RL and LJ is not here today, but today is very exciting because as you can see, grabe ang dami kong time. Ano ko talaga, in-arrange ko talaga ng makita sa camera because I'm gonna do a thumbnail. There you go. Okay, so today, ito yung gagawin natin. Ipapack natin lahat to and papakasyahin natin sila sa iisang box. Kasi yung iba dito, ilalagay natin sa isa pang box. So meron tayong dalawang box na mission today. Okay? But before I do anything else, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe in this channel. Click that bell button so you can get notifications once we have any uploads and keep you guys posted. Alright, so let's begin. Where do I begin? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Pero eto, okay. So, for sure, i-breakdown ko tong chinwares. I-breakdown ko yan para ma-maximize natin yung space. Okay? So, let me just make sure na well-taped yung baba para secured kasi medyo mabigat din yung box na to. And isa lang masasabi ko guys, good luck kay LJ sa pag-akyat nito sa taas. Yun lang. Warningan ko na kayo. Masyadong magiging magulo tong video na to.
Let's live in a minute. Step by step. Sorry, didn't the food on my doorstep. I'm wondering now, where is it?
There you go. I think that's good enough. Yep, it is. Kunin ko sa boxes to, but there you go. And then, ito is another knife. 5 din, iba-ibang size. Hindi ko na ipapakita kung ano yung itsura. Kasi na, balot ko na sila guys. Yung organizer, 6 shelf siya. And then, this one is a shaver siya guys, para sa mga aso namin. But this one, siya, or electric na siya. Hindi na siya the battery. Siyang comb inside. Ayan. Manang would be really, really happy for this. There's a set of curtains. Ayan. Protected din. Kasi,
Step by step. Sorry,
5 lahat.
kick the food on walk your step.
Ito yung mga plates dito. This is a portable blender. Some vitamins. Ito mga cups. This one. Pang crochet. 16 pieces na Pyrex. Come in.
Ay, ga-vlog ka?
Sige lang kami.
Kay go sa?
Wala pa ni gani. Ibayan ang loob. Beta. Yan, lagyan natin ang shirt. Yan, mga maliliit na shirt. Basag-basag sa loob. Okay ka pa da, ma? Ay! This is cute. Wala tayo nakita. Yeah. Cutie! Gawin natin to. Is dito na shirt. Siya sa loob. Merong damit. So, it keeps it safe. Ay natin to, guys. And I will take the box. Wow! Ako na yung nag-unboxing. Ano? Here. Maya. Meron din siya makasama. So, kaya natin dito. This is how the back box looks. Ayan, may mga space pa siya. Kaya din ako nag-clean girl look, guys. Like yung hair ko, tingnan nyo naman, slick na slick. Kasi napapasabak ako sa gera po. Di pa ako nakabili ng mga chocolates, guys. I think, di ko muna isasara to. And maybe, masiksiksikan ko pa ng kahit konting chocolates. Hindi na madami kasi bawal na din sa bahay. Dress. Mapilit. There. Diba? Oh, grabe. Sira yung beauty natin dito. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So I'm gonna end the video right here kasi ang dami ko ng pending na vlogs. And right now, meron pa akong katabing mga Tupperwares dito. I'm sure kung magkakasya pa siya. I'm not sure if we're gonna add one more box, but I'm gonna add chocolates pa and other stuff. And it looks like this. Magkakaiba silang size. And yeah, I guess there you have it. Wala naman din kaming ipapakita pang iba. We're not gonna even show you guys when we're gonna close the box, you know. Parang unnecessary na yan. So, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy the video even if sobrang gulo ng vlog na to. Thank you for your patience and thank you sa pagpapatapos ng video na to. And if you like this kind of video, please let us know in the comment section. If you have any other more suggestions as well, you know what to do na. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching again. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for our next one. Thank you. Bye.
Let's live in a make. Just step by step. Sorry that I'm kicked the foot and walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks.